Welcome back to my channel and welcome again to the Managing Safety Climate Survey course. Let's continue with Module 3, Establish the objective and outline the core elements of a safety climate survey. The aim of this module is to define the purpose of a safety climate survey and identify its key components, such as leadership support, communication, and employee perceptions. A safety climate survey helps organizations assess employees' attitudes and perceptions regarding workplace safety. By examining factors such as leadership support, communication practices, and employee perceptions, organizations can gain a better understanding of their current safety climate. These elements provide valuable insights into how safety is viewed and managed within the workplace. The information collected can be used to identify areas for improvement, strengthen safety practices, and support the development of a safer work environment. Ultimately, understanding the results of a safety climate survey helps guide improvements that enhance overall workplace safety and employee well-being. To commence, the articulation of a clear and precise statement of purpose for the Safety Climate Survey constitutes a critical foundational step that must not be overlooked by those conducting the survey. This purpose statement should be explicitly aligned with the core constructs that define a positive safety culture, as these are the primary aspects being measured through the survey process. By referring to the attributes of a positive safety culture discussed in Module 2, we are now in a position to establish an appropriate and targeted statement of purpose for the Safety Climate Survey. The proposed statement of purpose is as follows. Statement 1. This statement focuses on gathering input from both shop floor personnel and management on how effective the organization's health and safety management system is, how well it is being implemented, and how it is perceived across the workplace. Statement 2. This statement aims to understand the perspectives of both shop floor personnel and management on workplace conditions, particularly in relation to health and safety practices and standards. Statement 3. This statement focuses on gaining insights from both shop floor personnel and management about the day-to-day work behaviors of shop floor employees, particularly in relation to routine operations and safety practices. Statement 4. This statement is aimed at understanding how management views health and safety in the workplace, including their attitudes, values, and overall beliefs. In summary, the fulfillment of statements of purpose 1 through 4 depends on the organization's integration of the 7 C's, as shown in Figure 2.5.1. Importantly, when we derive measurements from these 4 statements of purpose, the 7 C's are automatically being evaluated through the survey process. Therefore, the way we formulate the statement of purpose must be guided by the framework outlined in Figure 2.4.1, the Positive Safety Culture Model. This ensures there is a clear and direct link between the concept of safety culture and the objectives of the Safety Climate Survey. Now we move on to the concept of constructs. A construct refers to the way we systematically organize the key elements of the statement of purpose into a clear structure. In simple terms, it represents a specific dimension of a positive safety culture that the survey is designed to measure. Based on the statements of purpose outlined earlier, we can identify 4 main constructs. The first construct relates to the organization's development and implementation of its health and safety management system. This looks at how committed the organization is to properly building, deploying, and maintaining that system. The second construct focuses on maintaining a healthy and safe workplace environment. It examines how the organization works with relevant stakeholders to ensure these conditions are consistently supported. The third construct is about the commitment of individuals and groups to safe work behaviors. This considers the extent to which employees follow safe procedures and demonstrate safe practices in their daily work. The fourth construct looks at management's values, beliefs, and attitudes toward health and safety. In particular, it assesses how strongly senior leadership demonstrates and promotes a positive safety culture within the organization. Thank you for participating in Module 3 on establishing the objective and outlining the core elements of a safety climate survey. By now, you should be able to define the purpose of a safety climate survey and identify its key components, such as leadership support, communication, and employee perceptions. You should also understand how these elements help assess organizational safety attitudes and guide improvements to enhance overall workplace safety and employee well-being. We will now proceed to Module 4, Development of Safety Climate Survey Questionnaires.